gonna be a fun nostalgic video. I'm gonna try and give my computer here a little challenge. With my portable floppy drive and all of these retro games on a floppy disk. I haven't played any of these in a while, and I wish I could screen record my reaction to them. But this would be very fun to see all this happen and see if I can get them to play. This shall be fun. Yeah, to relive my childhood days, because next week I turn 33 years old. Means that'll be next Tuesday, the 15th. So I want to kind of give these a bunch of the money for being in fact it's getting close to the birthday. And I remember when these guys were popular, because let me tell you, this was before Steam came along. Way before Steam. If you're a 1980s baby and a 90s baby, you will understand what I'm about to say. Because you had some of your computer games on the 5-inch floppy disk. And sometimes you had your games on these 3.5 floppy disk. It's going to really get me curious to see if my computer can read these guys. That's going to be fun. And that was your and if you were late 90s, I would say you might have a combination of these guys in your computers and CD-ROMs in the computer. So I'm ready to have a little fun here and see if these guys are going to read. Now I'm probably going to start when I turn on my computer. I'm going to start with Snoopy first. So I played the most out of that game when I was growing up, because it helped me learn my 50 states, pretty much, when I was in 4th grade social studies. And I'll see if I can get it running on there. Just cross your fingers and hope it's going to run. It's been a while since I played these guys. So, my first little contestant on the list, I'm going to go into my computer first. I'm going to find the computer application. Okay, this PC, I'm going to find it. I'm going to try putting Snoopy in. Yeah, I'm going to try it, because when you had floppy disks, some of them had 1 or sometimes 2 and 3 with installation disk. That means you would have to have the installation on some of those disks first before you played the game. So I'll show you how hard it was and what we had to go through. So I'm going to insert it. You can hear us now. Boing, boing. Okay, I hope it reads. I hope it does. Let me see what it's going to do. I'm going to click on the A. That's first. Working on it. I'm going to try and see if I can get it to file. BMP file. Or, no. Okay, it's a BMP, so I don't want that. No, okay. But I do want it to see if it's going to run an application, so I'm going to click the Go app. I hope it does. Oh! Got an error. Says the app can't run your PC. Find a person. Check with the software publisher. Okay. Well, that kills it. We'll try something else. Right quick. Just out of my curiosity. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. No, it may not work. Okay. So that kind of kills probably this one. I don't know if it worked, but hey. Sometimes it just does basic stuff, so let me see. What is it gonna do? Okay. Now it's circling around. I'm going to go back in there and see what's going. Either it can probably read or sometimes it won't. It depends what it does. I don't know what it's going to do. But let me see. Let me see what my PC is going to do and what it's going to say. If I try to put this 2 in here, I don't know what it's going to do. If it does anything at all, I don't know. Don't want to have to do anything to this and it could mess it up. I don't know. Okay, yeah, you hear it trying. And right now I'm about to X out of there. Okay, it is working on it right now, but I don't know if it's going to work or not. That's a good question mark. Okay, let's see. What is it going to do? I doubt it's going to do anything, but you never know. Okay, I'm just trying to get this one out. Okay, somehow it's a no. But I'm going to keep trying some other ones to see if this may be different. I don't know, but hey, I never know. I also played Mickey's Memory Challenge. I had a whole bunch of writing on this one. You laugh at me for being the kid to write on things? Wait, what's typical having a 3-year-old writing on almost everything? That was typical. But I don't know if it'll read, but I'm trying it. Just to keep a curiosity in mind. Okay, where are you? Okay, it's circling around right now. Just being patient. Oh, A is not accessible. Okay, let me try again. A not accessible. Okay. Alright, this one's definitely out. Okay. Well, hey, it was worth a try. But I got some more to try, that I can try and do. I'm gonna try, Hocus Pocus, just random games. Let's see what we can do. Hopefully you get one of them working. If not, it's okay. It's probably meant to be the Hocus Pocus. Okay, that's unusual. This one's reading, apparently. Let's see if it's going to play. Good question mark. What's it going to do? Well, let me get into the application and set it up. I don't know. Good question. Nope. If none can read, that's okay. It's just for experimental purposes, and this one don't read, so it won't set up. So sometimes the past is meant to be in the past. I'm gonna try just out of curiosity. I'm gonna try picking a random pinball, old-fashioned pinball. In here, popping it in the first time. Let's see what we do. I bet the data ones will read pretty good. I can see what might really be on them. If we got anything on them. That'll be my next try. Can't get these to read. I'm gonna try to get the data ones and see what we got. Okay. That's the sound I'm looking to hear. But this, I don't know. Because it probably could be the fact that most of these are outdated. And it probably won't be able to read, but hey, it's worth a try. Just to see how many reactions I get from this one. Okay, let me see. We got, what's this one? Application. Try this one. I'm gonna try the application. Nope. Okay. That's a go. No. Okay, that was a try. Unfortunately, that was a try. But no. Okay. That eliminates a lot of things. I'm gonna try Space Chase. If anybody's heard of Space Chase? But my parents have harvested these since I was a kid. But I'm probably sure if I went on Steam, I might be able to find some of these guys. You know, I don't have a Steam subscription yet. You know, I could be able to find these, with no problems, and be able to run it on this guy pretty well. But I'm just playing to see what I can. Just experimenting is gonna be fun. But hey, I get to hear this sound a lot more. Bam, 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 if you know what I mean. That's the sound it makes every time something's being ran. I'm gonna try this one. If it can't be ran, it's okay. Nope, that's another no. But I have accepted it, and that's how it's gonna be. Okay, I'm gonna pick Outnumbered. There's another one besides Math Rabbit and all that. I played Math Rabbit when I was a kid. I played Outnumbered, Where in the World is Carmen Sandiego. If you heard of her, you probably have seen stuff from her. So I'm going to try clicking into this. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna try Outnumbered and see. I'm not sure what is it gonna be all of them, but that's okay. I don't care if it gets no response. But at least I get to hear what retro sounds like. That's right. Retro meaning really cool. You mean I gotta be a little Miss Nosy. What's life without being nosy, right? Hopefully it's gonna read or do something. It's coming in the computer just a wee second. If that don't work, I'm probably going to choose Hexagon. That'll be the next one that goes in. And after I'm going to be trying the blank ones after. Let's see if those are going to read. So that would be very fun. Okay, this one apparently doesn't read. Okay. Said A is not accessible, so this is a no. It's meant to go where it goes. I'm gonna try Hexagon. I don't remember Hexagon, but it's for the video's sake. I will try for the video. If it gets me an error, it's okay. That's another one. Okay, another arrow. Okay. Oh. Get caught. Getting hard to pull out too. Gotta be careful with her. I will try Jazz Jackrabbit. I'm gonna try Jazz Jackrabbit in here. Try all the games on here today. It's gonna be my fun. Let's see if it's gonna do something. Let's see if this is gonna do anything. Okay, I'm going to try set up. This attempt C is gonna run it. I'm not sure. I don't know. What is it going to do? Oh, is it the first time I'm getting a not responding computer? Okay. Let's see if this thing's gonna do anything. Come on. If it can't run the application, then it's okay. Just forgive me. Okay, it's circling. It means it's deciding on what to do. And I'm saving the best for last while this is trying to make up its mind. The best for last is going to be Jurassic Park. Yeah! My parents had a copy of Jurassic Park on... Oh, yep, that's right. It's invalid. So the best for last would be the person I want to do be Jurassic Park, be best for last. I don't know if it'll read, but hey, it's just worth trying, at least. Now, I think with this one, I'm putting Wacky Wheels on. And see what Wacky Wheels is going to do. If it be like the others, it's okay. Sometimes the past is meant to stay in the past. But I may not have trouble with reading the clear desk after all. We'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna have a second video to that one. It'd be very fun, I promise. Okay. You hearing this? This is right now. And the one I just put in. Okay, an arrow. Okay. Like the others. Arrow. Okay. Doing itself injustice, and we'll put Wacky Wheels in. Just to see what Wacky Wheels is gonna do. If it may be like the others, it's okay. But this is fun listening to what all this sounds like back then. This would be fun. Right here. And I'll make a second video today about something else. What's it reading? It sounds kind of quiet. Wacky. See if Wacky's gonna run. I don't know. It's been a long time since we ran some of these guys. And a lot of it's been retro sense. Okay. Combine version of test. Okay. Nope. It didn't want to run. Okay. Highway Hunter. Your next contestant into my computer and see what you're going to do. I'll make a second video with the blank ones. It's going to be very fun. I'm not going to do the backup ones because they're old files. I don't want this to be a problem with my computer, so I'm putting the backup ones back in there, back where it belongs, and put, somehow, what is it going to do? Alright, so I'm going to put, okay, let me check what it's doing. Get on my floppy A. Click away, floppy A, drive. No, okay, no. I don't want to read. Okay, don't want to read. Okay, that's gonna be fun, but okay. Don't want to read, it's okay. Okay. And then the last but not least for the game side, and see if something does read, please let it be Jurassic Park. Please. Something. So just one. I'm going to try to run the setup if I could. Lord, please. Come on. Please give me something good. Okay. Please give me something good. Oh, no. Okay. Alright. Trying the second desk just to be nosy, but I just want to hear the nostalgic. So, okay. Alright. This PC. Nope. Okay. Alright, so it looks like it's not any of them. But that's okay. You know, I didn't think so, but I just wanted to be curious. Let me see. Nope. Okay, now it's your chance. Okay. But stay tuned for another video part, because I'm going to be doing something else, okay? Music on my video number 2. I promise you. So I meant to say.